are going to have some halo-halo. Actually, ito yung pinaka-favorite kong merienda.
Okay. While nasa lockdown tayo, medyo kailangan din nating enjoy yung hindi ibig sabihin na we are in lockdown tapos lahat lockdown na rin. Mga ganun, di ba?
So we're lucky here in Waterford na very accessible yung mga shops, and we have Filipino products na may enjoy natin dito kasi syempre nandito tayo sa abroad, wala tayo sa Pilipinas. Ang nami-miss nating food is yung mga Filipino food. So ito, naisip ko, why not have some halo-halo since maganda yung weather ngayon.
Today actually, so far, they predicted that it's going to be what it is so really far sunny. For this week. Mainit. Yeah, basically. Anyway, medyo hapon na. At ito ang ating mga ingredients dito. At
so last night I was busy preparing them. I made some jackfruit or langka. Minatamis ko yung langka. And then yung coconut, banana. We have the banana and ube and the leche plan. So ito yung mga pinrepare ko. Tapos ito, nabili ko siya sa Philippine Asian store. We have the kaong. Actually, they're both kaong but magkaiba lang ng kulay.
So,
and then we have nata de piña. So yan. Yan yung mga normal na
so bali sa ano
ingredients ng halo-halo.
Okay, sa Asian store. Ito ba, how much you divide it? Like,
I actually forgot.
Ito,
I think they're about €2 something.
2 euros.
It's less than €3.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
I'm not too sure. I'm not good at price. I don't even look at the price sometimes. I always look at the expiry date, but not the price. Because I know they'll be expensive. I don't want to be turned off.
Usually pagka mga Asian store dito sa Ireland, medyo siya may pagka pricey kasi
nag-aeroplano pa siya.
Kumbaga ini-import nila dito and then parang they know that there will always be consumer. So natin. Okay, ready. So, by the way, itong na to, ready-made siya. Hindi mo na kailangan obviously, hindi mo na kailangan iluto.
Ngayon naman, pag bumili ka na sa pangalan yan, sa Chowking, which is our favorite halo-halo, ganito na rin naman siya talaga.
Bale, siya, prepared na, hindi na siya yung parang
hindi kagaya nung time natin na homemade lahat.
Alright, okay. So, yan? Iba-ibang klaseng kaong, as you said. Alright. Everything.
Ang pinaka natatandaan ko ng bata, ang paborito ko dito is the leche flan. I always eat the leche flan.
Leche flan, okay.
Leche flan. And I like the beans, but unfortunately, walang beans. And I don't know how to make them. I'll probably be able to do it, pero kulang na ako sa time.
So, ito
yung banana.
Banana. Which is nabili din sa Asian store.
Frozen siya and then minatamis ko na lang. And
ano bang usually sa atin parang saging na saba
and kamote.
The only difference dito, wala kasing saging dito na talagang kailangan siyang kahit frozen siya, okay naman siguro, no? I mean, in lasa siguro, I don't know if it's gonna make any difference. Kasi niluto mo naman to. It's kind of unfortunately, if I say that yung halo-halo, it's not really like napaka-healthy hindi siya.
Look, we don't eat this every day. So
if we don't
it should be fine.
It should be okay. Parang cravings lang in a way, and then with the weather, parang nakikisabay lang sa panahon in a way. Okay, so you're putting
I'll just use this.
Yeah. So you actually made this ube.
Yeah.
This ube, paano ba ginawa ito? Parang kagabi, from ano siya, no? From, was it frozen then or hindi siya frozen, no? Yung
frozen,
ube.
grated.
Frozen, okay.
Purple yam. Tapos, ininatamis nila.
Okay.
Using coconut milk and condensed milk or evaporated milk.
Okay.
Then, ito yung ice natin.
Ito, may langka na, no?
Yeah.
Well, the langka, kagabi, ano din siya?
Well, it's nasa lata.
Nasa can din siya eh. But then,
minatamis ko din siya.
Alright, okay. Now, it's time for the ice, which is the
bloke ng ice. So, ito lang yung ginagawa ko.
Right. Baka naman ice na lang yan. Minsan kasi sa So ito, after nung halo-halo na yung ingredients niya, lalagyan na ng ice. Ice pala yung pinakahuli. So, para at least pag nag-submerge siya, yung ice, well, there's a bit of maybe science about making halo-halo. By the way, guys, halo-halo is the meaning of the direct translation of halo-halo is like it's a mixing. Mixed of bits and pieces. So, halo-halo. Okay. Andito po tayo sa Ireland at tayo ay makakatikim ng halo-halo. So this is a homemade halo-halo by Missis-k. And yummy. Okay. Great. Okay. Now, andito na ang ating halo-halo nearly there. Meron na lang kailangan na
nilagyan ko na siya ng ice. Hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng sugar pala. Kasi medyo matatamis na ingredients. So, it's up to your taste na lang kung matamis.
So, ano yung nilalagay mo?
This is evaporated milk.
Evaporated milk. Alright, okay. Yummy. And this one here. Kuhanan natin yung video.
Masyadong malalaki yung malaki yung paglagay ng...
Okay.
Oopsie. Then, lagyan natin ng ice cream. Cream in the Asian store. Ay! Ang galing.
Okay.
So, I got lucky na may ice cream sila, makapuno flavor sa Asian store. But then again, you can use regular vanilla ice cream naman or chocolate ice cream. Depende kung ano yung gusto niyo.
Okay.
But sa Pilipinas, normally nilalagay nila is ube or pandan or buko. Depende kung anong available. And then, syempre, ang pinaka-cherry on top natin, I'll probably just use this spoon.
Oh,
These are leche flan.
Leche flan.
Leche flan.
Right, okay. So, kahit nasa Ireland tayo, pwede tayong mag-enjoy ng halo-halo. Basta, medyo may konting effort lang naman.
Yan lang. Mas masarap kumain kaysa gumawa.
Actually, it's not konting effort, pero may effort talaga because you have to get the ingredients and then you have to cook, I'd say. Isn't it?
Let's put some...
Oh, wow. Okay. That's nice. Like that.
Yeah. So, ito na yung pinaka-sugar mo. What you think, Mr. K?
Looks yummy.
So excited!
Lots of sugar, but we don't eat this every day anyway.
Yeah.
You just have to enjoy. Sometimes in life, we just go...
So, ano yung pinaka-favorite na ingredients mo dyan?
Well, I think kung ano yung nasa top, siguro yun. Yeah, no, actually, the ube is not bad, you know. Ube, the flan, well, ice cream. I'm okay with ice cream, but we'll see.
So, how to eat it? Kasi very overcrowding siya. So, naalala ko nun, sabi ng nanay ko, kailangan mong hawakan siya ng ganyan. Unti-unti. Ganyan pala.
Yeah.
Yan. Unti-unti. Para mag-melt yung
so hopefully
sugar.
Nakikita nyo dyan na kung paano ba.
So,
let's start
this is the way. Mixing it.
Mixing it. Oh my goodness. Anyway, put it back. And obviously, kailangan natin ng mahabang spoon.
Hawakan mo kasi.
Okay.
Hindi ka marunong.
Okay.
So, yan na. Mimix mo na siya.
Alright. Sa ilalim muna. So, that's the way. Okay. Ready. Ano? So, kalimutan muna natin yung mga pangyayari sa paligid natin while eating this halo-halo. Because everyone is like obviously thinking about Corona, talking about Corona, but then kailangan mo ring i-distress ang buhay mo sa pag-iisip ng Corona na yan. And you just have to enjoy what's in front of you, as they say.
And what's in front of you is halo-halo.
What is in front of you is halo-halo. You're right. Okay.
Sakto, matamis na siya.
Yeah. Hopefully you're enjoying whatever you're watching there. At pag walang halo-halo sa inyo, at least ikakain na namin kayo. Okay? Yeah. Halo-halo.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Sarap ng leche flan.
Yeah. Okay.
Ang bagal mo.
Okay. Alright, nagkalat na tayo dito. Medyo Nice one. So, pwede naman pala gumawa ng halo-halo kahit nasa ibang bansa ka. Basta alam mo lang kung saan kukunin yung mga ingredients and syempre,
well, halo-halo is like anything goes. Yeah. Anything you want, you can put it in. As long as it's sweet.
It's a pint. Hopefully guys you enjoy watching how missis-k prepared the halo-halo and especially yung kinakain na natin ngayon. Excuse us, pero ikinain na namin kayo. Okay? So maybe next time when everything goes back to normality, then you can go and grab your halo-halo. Okay? So what do you think, Mrs. K? Shall we say, please like
and subscribe
to our channel, Mr. and Mrs. K. And for now, bye-bye, and hopefully we'll see you soon with your own halo-halo special. Right?
Cheers!
Bye-bye!
Bye.
Thank you!